All right, y'all, let's get in this kitchen and make creamy lemon pasta with blackened salmon. So I have a whole salmon fillet. I'm going to use lemon to drizzle all over. All right, I like everything spicy, so I'm going to add some cayenne pepper, some Old Bay, and parsley. All right, I am going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil to a cast iron skillet on medium high, and I'm gonna sear my filet flesh side down for about 3 to 4 minutes. And I turn my fire down to medium, and I'm gonna let that cook on medium again for about another 4 minutes. You already know I'm using my favorite our place pot. I'm gonna fill that with water. Gonna boil some spaghetti noodles. I did add about 3 tablespoons of oil and salted my water. I am adding half the pack of these spaghetti noodles and gonna boil them for about 10 to 12 minutes or until al dente. Right, so I'm going to zest 1 lemon. Make sure you don't zest the white part of the lemon because it can be quite bitter. So I'm going to zest that, and then I'm going to use the juice from this lemon as well. So my pasta is all cooked. I'm going to drain it in a strainer and reserve 1 cup of the liquid. To our place pot, we're going to add 1 stick of butter. I'm going to melt that down. Going to add in about 1 tablespoon of garlic. We're also going to add in our lemon juice and our lemon zest. Right, so I'm going to add in about 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and I also am going to add in about 1.5 cups of Parmesan cheese, dry Parmesan cheese, and mix that around. I'm going to add in some salt to taste and black pepper. All right, and also to let you know, this is a low heat. I'm going to add in about 1/2 cup of the pasta water and just stir. You don't want it to be too thick because once it cools down, it will thicken. So I am adding the other part of the cheese. I did fold that in and adding the pasta and just going to mix everything around. I'm also going to add in my salmon. Right, so before I serve, I do want to just let this sit for about 15 minutes because the sauce will thicken up a little bit. And here you have it. This is creamy lemon pasta with blackened salmon. I hope you guys enjoy. The new year is coming up. I'm excited. Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. Have a good one. Bye.